Moving over to the charts, what a day, 2.66%, and that is actually after a really strong bounce. So we went originally all the way down to 3.5% on the day, down to that major trend line. This is a very powerful trend line here. You can see this marks the bottom back here, the lows in April of 24, the lows here again in August of 24, and now we are here again. Is this trend line going to hold up markets? You can see it a little bit better there with those support lines off, but this is a very, very powerful one. You can see it marks the top back here in July, marks a lot of price action back here, and really originates in that May of 22 time period. So important trend line. That's why I have it in such a thick color. It's one of the most important on the chart right now, and that's where we're at. Are we going to break through this? We're definitely in very bearish conditions, breaking through that 200. That's what ended up holding on the Friday. We were hoping that was going to hold today, and it didn't. So it broke through all of that structure there. And then looking at the daily price action and then looking at the intraday on an hourly chart, you can see straight down immediately. As soon as it opened, broke the first level, retested that, broke the second level on the 9 o'clock candle, third level here on the 1 o'clock candle, bounced at the trend line, but after hours selling all of that back, and we're right back to the lows nearly in the after hours, at least on a closing basis, we're right around that area. So big selling in the after hours just continues to look absolutely terrible. Even with the huge volume coming off of that trend line, you can see 4.39 million, probably a big take profit for a lot of people out there after this huge fall. From top to bottom now on the SPY charts, that was about 9, almost 10%, 9 and a third. Are we going to get to that full 10% on the SPY charts? It certainly seems like it, and look at it go. Continues to sell here in the after hours.